Welcome to a training video on TSI Certifier Flow Analyzers. In this video, I'll provide an overview of the Certifier's data logging features, including data acquisition options, file management, exporting, and data analysis. The Certifier Plus and Certifier Pro flow analyzers are capable of capturing measurement data and screenshots. Logged files are saved to the internal memory of the certifier and can be managed on the device prior to being exported. The operation for all the data logging functions we'll cover is the same for both certifier models. To initiate a data log or capture a snapshot, press the disk icon in the right navigation bar to access the Data Save screen. Upon pressing the disk icon, the certifier will pause its display. The snapshot option will save a screenshot of the paused display as well as capture the data that's shown on the paused parameter or graph screen. A snapshot will create two files, an image file for the screenshot and a data file. Continuous logging will save data for the measurements currently selected on the certifier's parameter and graph screens. This logging option is typically used to collect calculated breath data over time or to capture data that's plotted on the graph. The sampling rate can be set from the default rate of 1 second up to 10-minute intervals. The collection time can be set from 15 seconds up to 120 hours, or 5 days, of continuous logging. Waveform logging will record the raw sensor data at 1,000 Hz for flow rate, low pressure, absolute pressure, high pressure, temperature, and oxygen concentration. This logging option is typically used to collect high-resolution data of waveforms for analysis. The sampling rate is fixed at 1 millisecond and the collection time can be set from 15 to 60 seconds. While actively logging data, the collection time remaining is shown on screen counting down and the certifier's display becomes disabled. Press the X button in the right navigation bar to cancel the logging session and disregard the data. Press the red square button to stop data logging and create a log file with the data saved up to that point. To access saved snapshots and data log files, press the hamburger icon to open the menu and then select the Manage Data option. The Manage Data screen lists the files that have been saved and provides information such as the log name, type of log, date and time the log was initiated, and the number of data points in each log. Log files can be sorted in ascending or descending order in the list by pressing on any of the column headings. Users can preview logged files by pressing anywhere on the row of the file you want to view. It may be helpful to preview screen captures or logged data on the certifier instrument as a way to confirm the files prior to exporting them. While in the file preview screen, press on the image to maximize its size for easier viewing. Saved snapshots and data log files can be exported from the certifier through either of the USB-A port. To export saved files, insert a USB flash drive into the certifier, check one or more files in the Manage Data screen, and then press the export icon. Snapshot images are exported as .png files and data logs are exported as comma-delimited .csv files. Exported .csv data files can be opened and viewed with Microsoft Excel or an equivalent spreadsheet software program, where users can easily perform more in-depth analysis of the collected data. That's it for today. Follow me for more tips.